Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to find harmful apps on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now, to find harmful apps on your Android phone, guys, first we'll be required to open the Play Store. So let's open up the Play Store on our phone. And after opening your Play Store, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the fourth option where it says the Play Protect. Tap on the fourth option where it says the Play Protect, and this kind of interface will appear, guys, where it says no harmful apps found. But guys, I had just scanned it a moment ago. In your case, in order to find the harmful apps on your phone, tap on the scan button over here, and after your device has been scanned thoroughly through this service, it will show either any harmful apps are on your device or not. Currently it says, guys, no harmful apps found on my phone. But in your case, if there is a harmful app on your phone, you can just uninstall it or take precautions or good measures to get away from that harmful app. And with that being said, guys, this is how to find harmful apps on your Android phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.